Have you ever wondered how you can make money by just watching YouTube videos? It sounds like a dream, right? You sit back, relax, and let the cash roll in as you enjoy your favorite content. But how does it work? Can you really earn a living from this seemingly leisurely activity? Today we're going to demystify this process and show you exactly how it's done. The first step is understanding the concept of how YouTube operates. YouTube is a platform that thrives on views, likes, and subscriptions. The more views a video gets, the more money the creator makes. So, how can you, as a viewer, tap into this lucrative system? The answer lies in the world of affiliate marketing and online advertising. Affiliate marketing is a method of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. By watching top YouTubers' videos, you can get an idea of what products are popular and in demand. You then promote these products through your own platform, like a blog or social media account, and earn a commission from any sales made through your link. But you might ask, how do you find these products to promote? That's where online advertising comes in. As you watch YouTube videos, pay attention to the ads that play before and during the video. These ads are often for products or services that are related to the video's content, which means they're likely to be popular with the video's audience. You can then become an affiliate for these products or services and promote them on your own platform. Now to the nitty-gritty. How do you get started? The first step is to sign up for an affiliate marketing program. There are many to choose from, but some of the most popular include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. Once you've signed up, you can start choosing products to promote. Remember to choose products that are relevant to your platform's audience, as this will increase your chances of making sales. Next, start watching YouTube videos. Pay attention to the products or services that are being promoted in the videos and in the ads that play before and during the videos. Take notes on what products are popular and in demand. Once you've identified a product you want to promote, you can use your affiliate link to start earning commissions. In conclusion, making money by watching YouTube videos involves becoming an affiliate marketer and promoting products or services that are popular with the video's audience. By paying close attention to the ads that play during the videos and the products that are promoted in the videos, you can identify popular and in-demand products to promote on your own platform. And remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing products that are relevant to your audience, as this will increase your chances of making sales. So, start watching, start promoting, and start earning today.